Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial on the Boredom Boyz channel. This is Chris, and in today's episode we will be using Adobe After Effects to create this glowing circle that loads over time. Now I'm going to try to keep the actual tutorial piece of this video under 120 seconds. If that's too fast for you, make sure you rewind, rewatch, or pause the video. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Window, Workspace, and make sure you have all panels selected so you can see everything. Head to your Project tab, right-click, New Composition, title it whatever you like. I'll call it Tutorial. Now, use whatever preset you'd like. I'm going to keep it at 60 frames per second. You can use 30, whatever. Choose your favorite background color. I'm going to keep it at black. Hit OK. Now go to the Ellipse tool in the upper left. This might be the rectangle tool. Just make sure you click Q until it selects the Ellipse tool. Go to this screen over here, click, hold down Shift, and drag to create a perfect circle, unless you want some weird looking oval, which works too, whatever your purpose is. Drag it to somewhere near the center, and go ahead and go to the lower left of the screen. Under Contents, you'll see this Add button. Click this button, and click Trim Paths. Open up the Trim Paths menu by clicking this drop-down button, and click on the Timer button. Make sure your playhead is at 0 seconds. Now drag Start to 100%, and drag the playhead to however long you'd like the circle to be. I'm going to put around 4 seconds, and I'm going to drag this from 100 all the way back down to 0. If we go back to 0 seconds, click play, you'll see it develops over the course of 4 seconds. Now, let's go ahead and copy this layer. Just click on this layer and click Control C or Command C if you're on the Mac. Go ahead and click Control V down here to create another shape. As you're going to see, nothing has changed. But what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the effects and presets. I've already typed in blur. Go ahead to the Gaussian blur, click and drag over to the shape layer 2. Up here, increase the blurriness anywhere from 100 to 130. I'll say 120, and that adds your glowing effect. Go ahead back to 0, play it, and you'll see you have the glowing circle that develops over time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. This is Chris from the Boredom Boyz. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Chris out.